the power of metaphor in constructivist learning. So there was a researcher called Hammer, did some research in 1996 around something called P-prims. Now these are conceptual ideas that we hold in our head that we piece together to try and formulate theories when we're asked questions that we don't understand the answer to, or we're trying to extend knowledge. It's a way of us putting together what we already know as a way of formulating a theory to try and then go on that act of discovery and answer the question. So when we're using this prior knowledge, a really important way of trying to piece these P-prims together is to understand what we're trying to answer. Now, metaphor plays an extraordinarily powerful part in this process. If we can start to access these P-prims through the stories of metaphor and using metaphors to understand the world around us, they form a part of the way that we experience what we're trying to discover, and they can help us to answer the question. Much in the same way as teachers who struggle with the philosophical process of putting constructivist learning into a classroom. How do I teach when I'm not supposed to be teaching? They overcame this through sharing stories and telling each other about experiences they'd had and discussing shared experiences. Metaphor works in the learning process in much the same way. It helps us to formulate these concepts that we can then go away and extend learning with through our experience.